Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Godrej 210 liters direct cool single door 3-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 210 liters, compressor type reciprocating, star rating 3-star for energy saving up to 35%, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Addition to that, base stand with drawer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, for example onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, type single door, refrigerator type top freezer, number of doors 1, power requirement AC 140 to 260 volts. Number of refrigerator shelves 3. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 15,700 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.